Looking for a budget-friendly and foldable study table under Rs 1600? And then this LMZ multi-purpose portable study table might be just what you need. I recently purchased it from Amazon for Rs 1549 and it offers great value for money. The design is simple yet practical. The tabletop is made of MDF and the legs are made of strong steel with a powder-coated finish that makes it corrosion-free and long-lasting. It also features a scientific ergonomic design that is ideal for comfortable sitting during work or study. The steel feet are covered with black sponge padding for an anti-slip grip, making the table stable on any surface. One of the best things about this is that it's completely foldable and very lightweight, and it folds flat and can be stored easily behind a sofa or in any small corner. Whether you're working from home, studying, or even eating meals while watching TV, this table comes in handy. It's also portable, so you can carry it outdoors or to another room without any hassle. Another bonus, no assembly is needed. It comes pre-assembled right out of the box. Just unfold it and start using it immediately. This table is not just practical, but also makes for a thoughtful gift. It's great for students, remote workers, or anyone who needs a small, reliable desk. It's suitable for laptops, reading, writing, gaming, or even using as a snack table. The edges are safe with corner protection, which makes it even safer to use in homes with kids. At this price, the product is totally worth it. Overall, it's a strong foldable and space-saving table that fits modern home and office needs perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful product reviews and budget-friendly tech and home essentials. I've added the purchase link in the description below, so check it out if you're interested. See you in the next video.